welcome back into my channel. So it's me again, your Triple Channel, and yes, for today's video we will be doing our music reaction video, guys, to Mission Soul's Family Band. So this video, guys, is entitled of Starlight by Muse, covered by Mission Soul. And guys, gusto ko po magpasalamat sa mga taong mag-comment daw sa aking last reaction video. Kasi nagtanong ako mga langga na sana kung sino mga nakakilala sa kanila is they will identify ba yung kung sino tong guitarist, sino ang drummer. So sobrang napapasalamat ako kay Kalog TV 5825 and kay Pearl Ice 28 kasi in-identify talaga nila mga langga isa-isa. So first, the lead guitar is Nisha, the keyboard is Naces, the drummer is Asaya Ice, the vocalist is Stacy, and Daddy is Second, and Mommy is Sheena. And again mga langga, no? Ito po ulit-ulit kong sinasabi, please do not compare yung dalawang family band, mga langga. Ayoko ng ganyang ugali talaga na papipiliin nyo ko yung bang meron ako marinig na comparison kasi meron po silang kanya-kanyang talent at kanya-kanyang uniqueness. So, hindi sila magkaparo, mga langga, no? So, yes, I'm super excited to work this video, so let's go. Ayun, kompleto sila! Ayan, si Isaiah as the drummer. Pasa natin. Gagaling talaga din ano.
Far away, this ship is taking me far away, far away from the memories of the people who care if I live or die. Starlight, I will be chasing the starlight until the end of my life. I don't know if it's worth it anymore. Hold you in my arms. I just wanted to hold you in my arms. My life, you electrify my life. Let's conspire to ignite all the souls that would die just to feel alive. I'll never let you go if you promise not to fail.
Maganda din yung combination ng boses ng mama nila at the vocalist nila, guys.
Never fade away. Our hopes and expectations, black holes and revelations. Our hopes and expectations.
Boses yun yung nanay mo, di ba?
Black holes and revelations.
Grabe, ang tibay talaga ng bunso nila, mga langga. Diba, batang-bata, pero sobrang galing na talagang pumukpok ng drum.
Hold you in my arms. I just wanted to hold you in my arms. Far away, this ship is taking me far away from the memories of the people who care if I live or die. I'll never let you go if you promise not to
Parang artista talaga yung isa, no?
fade away. Never fade away. Our hopes and expectations, black holes and
Grabe naman yung nakahawak ng electric guitar, mga langga. Sobrang easy lang talaga sa kanya. Kung ako yan, hindi ko alam kung paano gamitin talaga yung electric guitar na yan. Grabe! Oh my gosh. Oh! Ang cute talaga itong batang. Mission, so ay gusto ko yung pasingit ng text ng banda nila.